How to easily download Steam Workshop mods without subscribing. So if you want to easily download Steam Workshop mods without subscribing, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for SCMD Workshop Downloader. Over here, you will have the GitHub link. So you just need to simply click on the GitHub link, which is here on the first. After that, you need to scroll down, and here on the right side, you will have the SCMD Workshop Downloader. You need to click on it. Make sure that it is the latest one. After that, scroll down, and you need to download the zip file right here. So click on it and download the zip file. Wait for it to download. Now, once it has been downloaded, it will automatically open the downloads folder. Now, as you can see that in my case, I have downloaded. So you need to double click on it, or just right click on it, and then you will find an option of extract. Click on extract and then select the folder that you would like to extract, and then click on extract again, which is on the bottom, and wait for a few seconds. Then select the directory where you want to extract and press OK. Over here, open it, and I'll go with the first one. Double click on it again. You'll have the interface. After that, you just need to simply go with your browser again. Go with a new tab and then search for Steam CMD, and then you will have this right here. So over here, make sure to open the Valve developer community. Then scroll down until you find the download option. In my case, it's right here. So click on it to download. And once it's downloaded, you need to open up your downloads folder. Go with your file manager, and under downloads folder, you'll have this one. And then again, right click on it. Go with extract. Go with the destination, click on extract. Once you've extracted, double click on it. Then under the Steam Workshop Downloader 2, you need to open it and then select the Steam CMD folder that you've just extracted. Once it's loaded, after that, you need to open up the Steam community. To do that, go with a new tab, search for Steam community, click on it, and select the file you want to download. Copy the URL of the file that you would like to download, and go back to your Steam Workshop Downloader, paste the URL, and click on download. If you want to download multiple files at the same time, you can select multiple games and collections. And this way, you'll be able to easily download Steam Workshop mods without subscribing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.